Yeah, it's that countdown moment. 3, 2, 1. Let's go! City lights glow, yeah, the streets feel alive. Cold December wind, but the spirit's high. Family around me, we toast and we smile. Old year fading, we made it this time. Clock hands ticking, feel it in my chest. 12 strikes loud, now we're feeling blessed. Fireworks paint the sky in gold. New dreams low, watch the story unfold. No more stress when the day's gone past. Lead a heartbreak, leave it in the last. Midnight whisper, you made it through. Brand new chapter waiting for you. Hear the laughter, hear the cheer. New Year's calling, crystal clear, hands together. Hopes ignite, we own this moment tonight. Boom, fireworks in the sky. Let the old flames fade and fly. Cheers up high, let's testify. New year rising, we amplify. Midnight sparks in our eyes. Fresh start under neon skies. From 0 hour, we redefine. This year yours, this year mine. Lucky signs, grandma praying for better times. Kids outside with shining eyes. Future bright like sunrise. Neighbors shouting from door to door, wishing love and a little more. Past mistakes, we close that score. 2026 waiting at the door. No fear stepping into the light. We survived every stormy night. Built from struggle, built from pain. Now we dancing in champagne rain. Hands up high if you made it here. Through the doubt, through the fear. Every scar turned into flame. Every loss just fuel for the game. This is more than just a day. It's a mindset elevate. Midnight doesn't just reset. It's the power we don't forget. Boom, fireworks in the sky. Let the old flames fade and fly. Cheers up high, let's testify. New year rising, we amplify. From the ashes we design. Better days one line at a time. Clock hits 12, we align. New year glow, we shine, we shine. New year, we shine, we shine. 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year. Let's make it legendary.